Hello everyone, welcome to the mx.ai. I want to let you know about the Gmail agent built under the mx.ai. I hope you must be using the Gmail services to get your emails. So Gmail, we all know Gmail is a great email service, but many times you might have struggles or face the challenges to find the required emails. So for that you may need so many actions, and despite you don't find the required email, and then you have to manually search the read the contents and then find out the desired email. So we built Gmail agents. It's not a uh, email app, but it's your personal assistant for email services. So overall, it makes email search faster, smarter, and seamless. So I'll let you know how to use the Gmail agent. So first of all, you go to the awsmx.com mx.ai and register yourself. So click on the registration tab and then type your name. Let's say vipin.patidar and provide your email ID vipin.patidar@gmail.com and provide your mobile number. Now you have two options, either choose the trial versions or paid versions. Uh, for the paid versions, you will get IVR functions in the email and more advanced features. So if you click paid versions, then it will just change the payment amount and then you click on the submit. So it will take you to the payment page. You can select the credit card or you can select the UPI and then enter the UPI ID and then just click pay and verify, and then it will take you to your Gmail app, sorry, it's, GPay, and there you can pay the amount. So just a moment, I'll pay, and then it will take you further on the mx.ai Gmail agent. So I have done the payment. Now it's verifying the payment details. Now it's saying your registration has been done successfully. You just close it. Now you have to create your Google client ID and secrets. So in order to do that, you just click on this link. It will take you to the Google console. And now you have to create your project. If it's already there, then well and good. And then you have to enable the API and services. So just type the API, you will get the API and services, and then enable it for your project. So if it is not enabled, then click on the enable API and services and then submit it. Once it has been enabled, then you have to create the web client in order to authenticate your credentials. So click on the client and then you can create the new client, or if you have already created, then use that same web client. So I'll let you know how to create the client. Click on the create client, select the web application and then add the redirect URL. So redirect URL should be the application URL till mx.ai. Okay, once you have submitted this web client request, then it will show you the pop-up where you can download your credentials. Okay, so it has the client ID and client secrets. It has created the new client, and you can visit the data access and then enable the data access for this client. So you add and remove the scopes and then select the scopes, whatever the scopes you want for this web client, and then click on the update. Once the client ID and secret has been created, you can use the mx.ai Gmail agent with your registered email ID. So you go to the login page and then enter your email ID, pin.partilar, and then enter your the client ID. So I had already created one client and I noted the client ID and secrets. So I'm selecting same, and then you have to provide the Gemini API key. So you can hit the Gemini API Studio API key link, and then you can create your API. If it is already there, then you can use the same API key. So I had created it, and then I'm going to use the same, and then you select the scope. So let's say you want to read the emails only. You don't allow to write or send reply any email, then just select the read access and then enter the token expiry time. So you want to keep your token live till 2 minutes only. 1 hour, sorry, it's 1 hour. So after 1 hour that token will not be valid. So you will be logged out if you are doing any operation inside the application. So you can put the short durations so that you will like your token will be short live and it cannot be used by anyone even it is stolen. So it's up to you how much like duration you want to keep for your token. It's configurable, and then click sign. Now you have to select the email which you have registered in the mx.ai. So I'm going to choose the vipin.patila, and these are all Gmail authentication steps. So it is verifying your email ID and your credentials, client ID and secrets, and that is done by the Google itself. So once authenticated, it will bring you to the search page where it is finding the emails for current day. Okay, so by default it brought the all the emails for current day. It will bring most up to 100 emails, and you will get the pagination options to filter out your emails or search records on the particular page. So it is customizable. If you want to see 25 records in the single page, you can do that. It has now, let's say you want to find the emails with the subject mx.ai. Get emails having the subject mx.ai. So just type it, click on the search. It is finding those emails. Now you see the threads, how many messages in particular threads you have. So the subjects with this regarding mx.ai has the 4 messages. So it's showing the 4. Now if you click on this, so you will find the details of individual thread message, not all the messages. If you click on the thread icon, then you will see all four emails related to that thread. So let's say I click here. you can see four emails related to this subject. Now it has been replied by different email IDs. The Patidar Vipin at gmail.com and vipin.patidar at the. Now you are interested in emails replied by particular email ID. So you don't need to go through all emails. It might be 100 replies. So it's very difficult to find out the messages sent by particular person. So we here you will get the options to filter out based on the ID. So you can put any descriptions and then you can say received from pin.patida. Okay. So it has further drilled down that thread messages and only brought the two messages, and then you can click on that, so you will get only two messages. Now further, if you want to filter out the emails which has been already filtered based on your criteria, then you can just type the text. You say regarding and then search. So it has filtered out your emails. So it allows you to search emails using the natural language. You don't need to define your criteria. You just write in the English and then it will bring all the required emails. If you have any concerns or the issues in the finding the emails or any suggestions, then just you type your details here and then submit it. We will address your concerns and then we'll get your problem resolved. Moreover, you have the options to fetch 30 emails every 25 seconds. You don't need to take any actions. You just click on this. So after every 25 seconds, it will bring the latest emails. Okay. So only two emails uh, it got. It has the search criteria entered. So it is bringing only those records. If you remove that, then it will bring all the records irrespective of any search criteria. Okay, and you can enter your search criteria just by enabling the start listener and speaking. So it will listen your voice and they put the criteria and then you say send, then it will find out the emails regarding that search criteria. So you don't need to type anything, you just speak it. So if I say yes, it's listening and then it's entering the whatever you are speaking. Get emails with the subject mx.ai. Okay, so it just entered the criteria and then you can search it. So soon we are going to add the features to read your emails with the selected voice, and then mm, we will allow to reply on like your confirmations using the IVR. Hope it makes your email search very easy and interesting.